Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Today we're gonna have a nice hunt. Let's go eat some cows. Oh no, there is a fence. How do we eat? Let's go back and find something. Again. Tee, 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 tee. Okay, let's give the cows some water. They are very thirsty. Let's open the fence. Okay, you can all go graze and drink water. Me, me. Oh, no. Moo, moo. I want to drink water. Moo. Oh, why do you push me? Okay, drink water slowly, everyone. Drink water slowly. There is water for everyone there. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's time to go into the fence. I need to go take a sleep. No. Oh, no. Me, me, me. Mommy, mommy. Okay, I'm going to close the fence. Oh, the fence is very tight. Let's close it. Okay. Okay, all the animals are in. It's time to take a sleep. Wow, this tree looks very nice. Let's sleep under this tree.
A few moments later.
Hey, let's try to steal them one more time. They look very nice as food. Let's go, try them. Come on. Hey, look here. The fence is wide open. Ha 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 ha. Let's go get something. Oh, oh no. Oh no, what happened here? How many cows are there? One, two, three. Oh no, what happened? There are two missing. We have to go find them. Let's go. Jeep, come on. Sorry. No problem. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We will need someone to help us with dig something. Let's call the digger. Digger, come here. Hey, I'm here. I'm ready to help. Let's go rescue them. Go, 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 go. Let's take rest for some time and then let eat them. It's time to sleep. They can't escape. Oh, seems to be something above that hill. Let's go check it out. Oh, our lost cow and goat are here. Let's rescue them. Diggly, help me. Let's dig through this. Way, we are rescued. Let's go silently. Shh. What do we do to the tiger and the lion? They're bad animals. Let's put them under the sand. Call the loader. Let's go. Oh no! Oh no! What happened? Ah, the food is gone. Oh no! Oh no! Our friends are still not back. Where are they? Animals, let's get down. Go, go, go. Mom. Hello, friends. Oh. Hello, friends. Yay. Everyone is back now. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! Woohoo! Nosy toys!